So I'm going to go through a concept which is called compression. And I'm going to use a graphic that I extracted on my trip from Alaska, really going over 7 great earthquakes that hit there. The starting point was this image that I took from a museum display, and it's dense. The compression in their timeline, location, the power of the earthquake, and the story behind it, all thrown onto a single slide. We see lots of this stuff, and the value of a presentation is to break it open, unpack it, walk people through it. And one way to do that is to create a timeline and a video. But even this is throwing too much information. People look and it looks interesting, but it's easy to tune out and not even pay attention to the details. But if I create a card in CueCam next to my face where I can say, in this event, this was a magnitude, this is where, and each one of these cards is generated off of that very dense piece of information. And so what I'm building is a toolkit to do that, where I can take like a YouTube video and create a set of image assets based on the information in the transcript of that video. Right next to Anchorage in 1964, a 9.2 magnitude earthquake. It still has repercussions, of course. That's very fresh in everyone's mind. And these earthquakes will continue into the future. And by decompressing that information, I can get the point across that presentation's value in many cases is to decompress information that might come in a video, might come from photos, and enabling the ability to extract and generate the images. I'm using a harness. This one is Grokbot, just released 2 days ago. LLMs are in the past, big deal, but building harnesses around the LLM so we can ask for what we want, and the harness will then manipulate the files, manipulate the assets, manipulate the tools to be able to generate the media that I want in CueCam. That's a big step for me.